Multicloud can be described as the management of disparate infrastructure domains as if they were a single cohesive set of resources, regardless of where those resources reside. This enables users to consume those resources from anywhere and in any environment. The next time you hear about multicloud, try picturing it as an operational condition rather than a description of the core infrastructure itself. So, how do we get to multicloud? Enterprises moving to multicloud share a common set of challenges that inhibit this adoption. These challenges can include things like multi-domain connectivity and the orchestration of workloads and elements such as virtual machines, containers, and storage. And end-to-end security and visibility can be difficult in a multi-vendor, multi-cloud world. Given the scope and scale of the changes required to fully exploit multi-cloud, it's unreasonable to think that enterprises will bridge the gap from where they are today to the multi-cloud future in a single step. Such a step would be at once too big to fail and too big to succeed. Juniper empowers cloud architects and operators to recognize these potential problem areas and understand the constraints under which you must operate in order to plot their path forward when designing a multi-cloud future. Juniper has put together a set of best practices, architectural recommendations, and operational considerations to help enterprises move towards multi-cloud on your terms. The Data Center Multicloud 5-step framework is designed to provide an agnostic way to think about the changes required for IT departments to adopt multi-cloud. The move to multi-cloud needs to involve all places in the enterprise network: data center, campus and branch, and the public cloud. The promise of ubiquitous workload availability and resource fungibility requires that connectivity, orchestration, visibility, and security extend from the private and public cloud to the on-ramps in the campus and the branch. But given the importance of the enterprise data center, it makes sense to start there. Companies that have data center expansion and refresh projects should be addressing their immediate requirements while laying the groundwork for their future of multi-cloud. Worst case, you are prepared for a future that hasn't yet arrived. Best case, it paves the way to transformation. The Data Center Multicloud 5-step framework provides a generalized structure with specific technology insertions. It's fairly common that enterprises find that their data center has not evolved far beyond legacy approaches that were popularized years ago. Becoming more modern requires a move away from a device-by-device approach to architectures that are simplified, automated, and orchestrated. By adopting network fabrics, either at layer 2 or layer 3, depending on the application needs, enterprises can greatly simplify their data centers. The journey to multi-cloud should not be attempted in one giant leap. Instead, it should be taken in incremental steps, each enabling people, process, and technology evolution along the way. Juniper Networks Data Center Multicloud 5-step framework, simplified data center and multi-cloud solutions, and suite of services are here to guide you through the steps to multi-cloud.